Hey guys, for this video, we are going to check out the very first Mach frame Philippine Cup Special Edition. Let's check out what's inside. Let's go! Alright, so let's open the box. Now, let's talk about the cowl. Now, each kit contains two cowls, the light blue and the red. Now, this represents the color of the Philippine flag, which is the red, blue, and white. As you can see, this is a bit glossy. Okay, very nice looking cowl. And then let's talk about the chassis. Now, this is ABS resin, and this is color silver or gray. I think this is the first time that they released a silver FMA chassis. Okay. And then next, let's talk about the rims. This is a carbon reinforced dish type, and see on the side it's all narrow, perfect for speed. And it comes with the tires. Now, this is a low friction, medium size, low profile, and it has a lettering here, the Brickyard Philippine Cup. Okay. Now, the internal parts. Now, it's color white. So this is a low friction resin 8 parts. So it comes with the gear cover, the battery cover, motor catch, and everything. Right. Next, let's move on to this. Now, this pack includes a 3:5:1 gear ratio, and also comes with the stock motor, grease, wheel shaft, battery terminal, some screw nuts, and the propeller shaft. Okay, and next it comes with the manual. Okay, and then last but not the least, the decals. There you have it. So let's check out the decals. So this one's for the blue plated, and then this one goes for the red one. Okay, so you can see there's, zoom it in, Philippine Cup, and then on the bottom part you can see some names here like Diet City, Cagayan de Oro or CDO, Pangasinan, Makati, and Iloilo. And then it also comes with the Philippine flag and the Tamiya logo. For me, it's a good deal because you have a lot of nice stuff inside that comes with the kit. The gray chassis, the carbon wheels, rims, the tires, and especially the cowl. For just 1,000 pesos, I could say it's a good deal. Now, you can buy this kit at the Brickyard, whether you go to their physical store or you can visit their website to purchase it online. Alright, so again, stay safe, have fun, keep on racing. See ya!
We are inviting you to visit the Attic Yarn and Hobby Studio in Marikina City and experience a wonderful time building and playing with your Tamiya car. We have daily fun race, time attack, and monthly tournament. Track layout changes every month to make things challenging. I hope you learned something from this video. Stay safe and have fun racing.